Well, we're stopped here between Anna and Botkins, and there's some fantastic electrical storm going on. There's some real cloud stuff and cloud to ground. I've been watching most of it in my rear view mirror. Certainly very dark. There we go. You can actually see some of this stuff coming down now. So we're just at a road that crosses between, just crossed 75 between Anna and Botkins. Well, there's Interstate 75 over in the background. I've just pulled off the road here. We've got absolutely no rain. If you can see that, there's some really impressive stuff. I'm going to turn off my alarm in the car. I just can't get my I just can't get the camera around fast enough. There's so much going on here. The storm that crossed over from Lake Laramie, I've been heading east, and it just seems to be sort of coming around again. Looks as if it's going to come back for another go. Well, that was impressive. I don't know what you saw of that. Certainly a lot going on over there. It's probably one of the most impressive electrical storms I've ever seen. But then this is not the kind of weather we get in the UK. I just can't get everything that's going on with this camera. I can move it one direction, something happens over there, you see. There seems to be like we're getting a lot of cloud to cloud stuff. Getting cloud to ground over in a sort of, I would say, a southeasterly. There we go, some more. And we're getting a lot in that kind of direction. We're getting a load of cloud to ground stuff. There it goes. I don't know what the I hope it's getting really dark over here, and add to that the fact that the sun's going down. I think it starts coming down where I am. I'm going to be back in the car, very sharpish. I can't hear any thunder. All I can see is this fantastic electrical display. Now I've got the weather radio on in here, and we've not got any more alerts. In fact, they've cancelled this severe thunderstorm watch. So I guess we're talking in terms of hail and storm winds. Okay, I think if I can just point it, I'm going to just try and point it over here and over the rest. There was some. I really don't think this camera is on this Blackberry is fast enough to catch everything that's going on. In fact, I don't know what the life of the oh, there's something. I just need to sort of point it in one direction and hope. I can feel this. Just hear a little bit of thunder there. Okay, well, we're coming up for about 5 minutes worth of video on this one, so we'll stop this and we'll resave another video file, I guess. And no doubt we'll we'll miss something nice. There's another bit of that fantastic cloud stuff that's going on. Okay, we'll just stop